Today I will show you how you can add a logo in 2019 WordPress theme. Now to add a logo, first you need to go to admin. Here go to appearance, then go to customize. In the customizer, go to site identity. Here click on select logo. Now select a image. You can also upload one. Click. Now you'll need to crop it. You can crop it or skip cropping if there's one option to skip. The logo has been now added. Just click on the publish button to save it. Refresh the page. There you go. That's how you can add a custom logo in your 2019 WordPress theme. Now if you need any more help with this tutorial, then you can comment down below in the comment section. Thank you.